Hey, I'm Greg with Malta Dynamics. I want to talk to you about WaveOn technology that's integrated into our Type 2 safety helmets. A WaveOn device is included in every Type 2 safety helmet that Malta Dynamics sells. The tech is so that you don't have to have an app on your phone, but you can access pertinent information about your worker or about your worker's gear simply by using a smartphone. How to use this technology: there's a transponder in the helmet, and you look and locate the WaveOn decal on the helmet. So you'll start by waving your camera over the WaveOn icon and then click to open the window. Once the window opens, you'll see the Apex Type 2 safety helmet, and you click register as mine. You'll enter first name, last name, email. We also have batch registration for safety managers, outfitting crews. Put your email in there and confirm the password, and you will agree to the terms. If you agree to the terms, let us know if you want to be in the newsletter. Then you can link it to any file path location. So if you have site docs, if you have cloud storage, either one of those, just put in the URL for that, and you are tied to that location from the WaveOn. You can also view the user manual from here, and you have quick access to contact Malta Dynamics from here as well. The notion behind this is that you can store your employees' training records, medical information pertinent to the job, or anything else, and link it directly to that without an app, just by waving this over.